All right, guys, Android 16 QPR Beta 1 has been on my phone for the last few days, and I just wanted to make a really quick video for you guys. I am absolutely in love with this new Android design. So you see here, we first see the adjustment with the cellular data and battery icon there. I think this looks pretty good. I think now Samsung, Google, iOS, they all look very similar now, which is not necessarily a bad thing. But I did enjoy how the battery icon looked on the Pixel devices, just because it was very unique. And then there's your little 5G icon, of course. But yeah, I am absolutely infatuated with this new update. I was a little bit nervous installing this just because it is the first update that included all of these new changes. And when I tell you all, my experience has been not necessarily miles better than the last stable release of Android 15, but this particular Android 16 update feels like it's been out for months. It is absolutely blazing fast. The actual phone itself feels faster than what it did on Android 15, which is honestly kind of insane. I can't believe that a new OS version number, 16, right? And essentially, it's really its first new beta due to all the new design changes, as you see here. I can't believe an update like this is so perfect. I haven't really had any stutters. I haven't had any battery issues. Well, I will say that the standby battery, it does definitely drain the battery a little bit more on standby, especially on this Google Pixel 8 Pro. I installed it on this phone, but I haven't used it as much as my 9 Pro just because my 9 Pro is my actual phone that I use every single day. But I installed it on this and I can tell that this battery is dying a lot faster in terms of standby mode. But yeah, typical daily usage, I mean, this phone is lasting just as long as it did before this particular update. And that was honestly my main concern. Let's swipe down here and see if I have some battery stats. I'm the kind of person that charges my phone all over the place. I've never had the best luck reading this, but I think I took it off at around 2 a.m. and it's been dropping ever since, which is fine. But it's now 1 p.m. and I'm at 72% juice left, which is totally fine to me. Now, if we jump back to battery, you will see that the battery percentage indicator is now inside of the actual battery icon. Now, I'm the kind of person who doesn't like having a battery percentage in my status bar at all. I just look at it way too much. I'd rather have a widget like this on my home screen. This beta has been so smooth, so fast, no crashes, no performance issues, no weird bugs. I mean, I haven't noticed anything. I feel like for the majority of people, even if this is your main phone, I would honestly be okay with telling you that this is an okay update to download. Now, of course, you have to make that determination for yourself, especially if your phone bricks or something like that. But for me, it has been fantastic. I feel like this update to Android is the biggest update in honestly what feels like at minimum half a decade. I think Android 12 was probably the last update that looked different, but this is crazy, dude. Look at these icons. Look at how whenever you click on one, they bounce. And they just interact. Look how cool that is. Let's check out the dark theme here. Oh, look how fast that is, dude. Done. Beautiful. Everything's themed out. Everything looks different. I love this new swipe down, this new notification shade, these new buttons and how you can adjust the size of them and everything like that. This is gorgeous. I know this is more of a love session as opposed to me showing you the new features, but I just wanted to show you guys what this looked like really quickly. There are a lot more videos online that tell you exactly what was changed, but just the things that I noticed. Look at this. Look how cool that looks. And the haptic feedback on this OS now is really cool. And the sounds, I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this, but your new app drawer, I mean, it is perfect, dude. I'm in love with this update. Enough of me lushing over this update, guys. I just wanted to show you this and let you guys know that if you've never installed a beta before, for one, it's super easy. For two, I feel like this is the most stable beta I have ever used in my entire life. I am absolutely dumbfounded, but just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. I also just made a long-term update on the Pixel 9 Pro. As you see here, mine has some wear on it, some dings, some love marks. An absolutely perfect phone that is now even better that is on Android 16's beta. I am absolutely in love. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I will leave a link in the description of that Pixel 9 Pro long-term review for you guys. Actually, I did one on this Pixel 8 Pro as well. I'll leave a link to both of these videos. Anyways, I will see you all in the next one. Peace.